Well, summer is almost here, which means school is almost over. And I wanted to take this opportunity to give you some final information about the summer camps that are coming up. The first bit of information that is really important to note is that our deadline is June 10th to lock in those current rates. So get online and register today. We also wanted to spotlight a couple of camps that you may not have heard about yet. And I'd like to start first with Amy Farrell, and she's going to tell us a little bit about Readers Theater and keyboarding.
Two camps that I'm really excited to tell you all about. The first is our Readers Theater Camp, and it's offered to our lower level students. Basically, we're going to be doing lots of theater games, working in groups, and at the end of the week, we practice our skits and we present our little short plays to our parents and friends. So we're practicing those reading, speaking, and listening skills, and most importantly, building confidence when talking among our peers in a group setting. The second camp is offered to our upper level students, and it's especially important for our junior high students who are going to be going into high school soon to really gain a fluency for typing without looking at our fingers. That is going to be a skill that will continue with you throughout your life. So that's again in June, and it's for our upper level students. I'm really excited about both of these camps. Hope to see you there.
My name is Brent Weiniger. I'll be offering a camp this summer called Stop Dr. Drain. Dr. Drain's a comic book character. He's an evil scientist. He's created this machine called the Drainer. It's actually fueled by these magic rings found throughout the universe, and he has some henchmen helping him find these rings. But the good thing is there's an antidote to this Drainer. But when kids get zapped by the Drainer, they get tired all the time. So we want to find this antidote. The antidote's actually found in a plant down in South America. So the students in this class will actually search a DNA library looking for the gene that's the recipe for this protein that makes them immune to Dr. Drain's Drainer. So along the process, they'll actually purify the protein. They'll create microscopes made out of cardboard to search the microscopic structure of cells, to learn about plants and animals, how they're interrelated to the carbon cycle. At the end, they'll summarize their findings in a poster at the end of the week, talking about how lifestyle choices will help them protect against the Drainer, and most importantly, will help them boost their brain power so they'll do better on their exams, do better in school, and be more productive in life. So join me this summer in stopping Dr. Drain.
My camp is the Red Hot Readers. Red Hot Readers is a camp that's designed for children getting ready for kindergarten and being exposed to many of the things they'll need to be a successful kindergartner. There's two different levels of them. The first one is going to be a more concise version where the children are doing a lot of activities that will be fun for them to learn things like blends with glitter glue and using colored paint to learn how to write the colors and doing a lot of sight word games. And then the other one is going to be a little bit longer, and it's going to incorporate a little bit more of writing. Even though you don't think of children at this age being able to write, they can, because you initially write in your head. And so we're going to piece together a story. I call it quilting a story. We talk about how the elements of a story have to have a beginning, middle, and an end. At the end, we'll have a story for them to send home that the campers created. We also do a lot of plays, and the children read a lot of very small books where they will get up in front of the other children and read if they want to. The books have like 1 or 2 words a page, but they just feel so confident, and it really they get really excited about the fact that they're reading to a group, and just that they're reading, because in the end I want them to feel like they are Red Hot Readers. So sign up for Red Hot Readers at SBA. You don't have to be an SBA student to do so.
We're also offering a summer camp for our forensics students, and I'm going to let Ms. Kitchell tell you a little bit more about that camp.
We have 2 camps this summer. One is called Intro to Forensics, and it's for new students who are interested in joining our Forensics League for 5th through 8th grade students. And we have another one for Advanced Forensics, and that's for students who have been in forensics before and are interested in improving their performance and finding a piece for the competitions next year.
Just remember, we have some summer camps that are geared specifically for our SBA students, like AR book study and a summer math packet help. So make sure you sign up for those today as well. Don't forget, we have plenty of spaces in some of the camps we've already talked about over the last few weeks. We've got creatively coding, we've got movie camp, we've got Sharpie art, creative writing. There's a lot of options for you. You can get online to check for more information about summer camps, as well as a video tutorial to help walk you through on how to register. And I hope everyone has a great summer.